The first was the overall pass percentage of the state, which included freshers, repeaters and private candidates. In this division, Chikkodi, which had the highest pass percentage last year in the state, went on to top the list this year as well. It was followed by Sirsi and Belgaum in the second and third place respectively. The second division was called as a quality pass percentage, which was based on how many students had secured first class and how many toppers were found in a particular region. This division saw Bangalore North leading the list, which saw 6 toppers who were part of the top 10 ranks in the state. As usual, the girls fared better than the boys this year as well. In the battle between boys and girls, the total number of boys who appeared, including freshers, repeaters and private candidates, were 4,32,533, out of which 3,34,925 secured a pass percentage of 77%. The number of girls who appeared for the SSLC exam, including freshers, repeaters and private candidates, were 3,80,965, out of which 3,25,590 passed, securing a pass percentage of 85.46%. On the whole, the result was a surprising 81.19% of students who cleared the all-important milestone in their lives.
ಬಹಳ ಪ್ರಮುಖವಾಗಿ ಹೆಣ್ಣು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಗಂಡು ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗಿಂತ ಅತಿ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಆಲ್ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 7% ಅಹೆಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೇಲ್. ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗಿಂತ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿನಿಯರು ನಿಯರ್ಲಿ 7%ಗಿಂತ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು ಆಶಾದಾಯಕವಾಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಅವರಿಗೆ ನಾನು ಶುಭವನ್ನು ಹಾರೈಸ್ತೇನೆ.
It was celebration time for the toppers in Number City, who were satisfied with the results they achieved. For many, it was a cakewalk, while for others, it was a big surprise. The toppers also had a word of advice to the aspiring candidates for next year's SSLC exams.
I'm feeling very happy. It's an amazing experiment. I'm very happy. I'm satisfied with my marks. Favorite, all my subjects are favorite. I like biology.
I expected nothing actually, so I did not have any expectations, so this came out as a surprise. As I've already told, it's just that don't take advice from anybody else, follow your heart, you'll go a long way.
This family had twin reasons to celebrate quite literally. Sisters Abhigna and Anugna both were among the top 10 rankers of the state in the English medium category. The family was overjoyed and were happy that the girls outdid their own abilities. We caught up with the twins to find out more about their achievement.
So you've met so many toppers today, the SSLC toppers, but let me introduce to you today the twin toppers of Number City, that is Abhigna and Anugna. Now these are twins who have topped simultaneously. I mean they've topped their SSLC exams together. Let's start by asking you, Abhigna, how much did you score?
My score is 621 out of 625.
All right, and how much did you score?
620 out of 625.
See, look at her stress on 620, which means she scored less and she scored more, but nonetheless, you're still toppers. So how much a percentage roughly that teams up to?
I think 99.3.
99.3, my God, 99.3, and yours?
99.2.
Wow, now this is what we call as twins. Everything, you eat together, you sleep together, you also score marks together, and they've done a fabulous job in the SSLC exams. It's a proud moment for their parents. Tell me, how does it feel? What is the emotion like? What did you feel like, scoring well with your own sister? But anyway, you sat together?
Yeah, we sit together and read.
You sit together and wrote the exam as well?
No, we were in different rooms.
Okay, I guess because they got so similar marks, they probably copied or something. No, I'm just kidding, but... So what is the feeling like? What did you feel when you received the news that you got so many marks, and what was your preparation like?
I was surprised and I was happy also.
Yeah? Okay.
My preparations were good. My parents helped me. My teachers and school, there was a lot of support from them.
Okay. What about you? Did you both study together every single day, help each other every single day?
Yeah, every day we used to study together only.
Okay.
We will not read alone.
Okay.
And anything, if we get doubt, we used to clarify, but our teachers used to teach us every time. If we ask the same doubt also, more than twice also, they are ready to do it.
Okay.
And they never hesitate and they have a lot of patience. And my school teachers have given a lot of support. My parents also, they sit every day, at least every Sunday, they'll ask us, have you done everything or you have not understood? They'll clarify our doubts. So the support from our family is also very good.
Now, every story has a hero, but this story has no hero. It has two heroines, and it has a supporting cast, which is their parents, the supporting actors. But I'm going to play the villain's role here and ask you a very tough question. Are you a little jealous that you got lesser than your other twin sister?
No, we both don't compare.
You don't compare.
Yeah, but I didn't expect this much also, so I am very happy I got at least this much.
Yeah?
Yeah.
No regrets at all? Oh, she got 1 mark more.
No, if she got else 2 marks also, I would not feel bad because I expected only this much, I think.
Wow, I mean, Bollywood has Karan Arjun. Namma City has Abhigna and Anugna. Thank you so much for talking to us on News 9. It's a pleasure meeting you. Before we let you go, what are your future interests like? What do you want to do?
I'm taking science and I want to do IIT.
IIT. Wow. And what about you?
Yeah, same.
Very nice. Thank you so much for joining us on News 9. That was the twins telling us their story, their tale of success about how they cracked the SSLC exams. They've got 99.34%. It's an incredible achievement. And like true twin sisters, they've stuck together in the hard times and the good times as well. With camera person Bajarangi, this is Vivek Vinayak for News 9 Bengaluru.
Had this roadwork been completed and commissioned for public use, the chaotic scenes that were witnessed on Airport Road last week could have been averted. But the airport authorities have a different tale to narrate.
Ever heard of someone erecting a compound wall to prohibit people from using a road? This may sound strange to you, but such a thing has happened in Bengaluru. What is more baffling and intriguing is that this road is being laid by BBMP. Well, if you go to a place called Mailanahalli on the outskirts of Bengaluru, you will know more about this road blocking exercise. BBMP, in collaboration with the state government, took up road work to Devanahalli Airport from Nagavara and Thanissandra. This approach road, which passes through Bagaluru and Mailanahalli to Kempegowda International Airport, was taken up at a cost of 120 crore rupees. The project got underway in 2008. You can find a proper road till Mailanahalli from where the terminals of the airport are clearly visible. But exactly at this point, the work has been stopped abruptly by erecting a compound wall across the road. This blockage is causing a huge inconvenience to people going towards the airport and Devanahalli. It is learned that the airport authority has blocked the road, citing security threats to the airport.
ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಾವು ದೇವನಹಳ್ಳಿಗೆ ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇದೇ ಮಾರ್ಗವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಈಗ ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ರಸ್ತೆ ಇದು ಹಳೆ ರಸ್ತೆ ಬಂದ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಟ್ರು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಮತ್ತು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ ಹೋಗೋಕ್ಕೆ ಭಾಳ ತೊಂದರೆ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಒಂದು ದಿನಕ್ಕೆ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಅಂದರೂ ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೆ ಹತ್ರ 500 ಗಾಡಿ ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಎಂಪ್ಲಾಯೀಸ್ 24 hours ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು 5,000 to 6,000 ಜನ ಓಡಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ಗಳು ಹೋಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೂ 15-20 ಕಿಲೋಮೀಟ್ರ್ ಸುತ್ತಾಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಒಂದು ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸುತ್ತಾಕೊಂಡು ಏರ್ಪೋರ್ಟ್ ತಲುಪಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ 1 hour ಬೇಗ ಬಿಡಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ.
Since a huge sum of 120 crore rupees has been invested on this road, BBMP officials have written several letters to Airport Authority to allow them to complete road works. BBMP claims that once this road is completed, people can use it and they don't have to go to the other road with toll booths. They can save toll fee and at the same time reach airport relatively early. Residents of Nagavara, Thanissandra, Bagaluru and Mailanahalli have to go roundabout and travel an additional 18 kilometers to reach the airport. Our correspondent spoke to the officials of BBMP and the commissioner had this to say.
We have already written letter to Central Ministry for Civil Aviation and made it clear that security of the airport would not be hampered. We are in constant touch with the ministry. We have also written to state government to intervene and settle this issue. Government needs to act in this regard.
Even as the cabbies fight with toll collectors on Airport Road, the toll-free road from Nagavara to Devanahalli stays incomplete. The government has to intervene immediately and resolve the issue. Anand Burli, News 9, Bengaluru.
The students of Shirdi Sai Engineering College came up with some great awareness programs for the youth on road safety. In association with the Bangalore Traffic Police, the students organized a cultural event to spread the message. And one of the programs was this play on road safety that sure reminded us of all the mistakes we commit on the road. Students enacted the errors that people make on the road in the most humorous way possible. Wearing clown outfits, the students brought about awareness on how people refrain from following road discipline and most often take law for granted.
flaws of human life as well as animals as well. So I think, according to myself, that you're supposed to follow rule safeties and as well as just follow all the instructions which is being given to you. And the people must be aware of the cops, especially because when they see a cop standing, they'll be like, oh man, there's a cop, and they won't be wearing helmets, and they'll be like, shit man, there's a cop, and they just move off. That's actually not what should be happening. Actually, there should be fixed cameras in each and every place of different places, so that when they capture those kind of things, they're immediately supposed to take action regarding those things.
The Additional Commissioner of Traffic Police, B. Dayananda, inaugurated the event, and he too admitted that there must be more awareness among the youth.
It is the youth who are involved more and more in accidents, and both fatal and non-fatal accidents. Therefore, there is need for inculcating this traffic discipline and road sense amongst the youth. The traffic department is also doing that one. I urge the people to follow the traffic rules. When it comes to traffic, we would only urge them not to be in a hurry. Follow the traffic rules and discipline, and ensure that you are safe, which means that your family is safe and all your those who belong on you are safe.
Well, the students of Shirdi Sai Engineering College came up with some great awareness programs for the youth on road safety. In association with the Bangalore Traffic Police, the students organized a cultural event to spread the message. And one of the programs was this play on road safety that sure reminded us of all the mistakes we commit on the road. Students enacted the errors that people make on the road in the most humorous way possible. Wearing clown outfits, the students brought about awareness on how people refrain from following road discipline and most often take law for granted. The Additional Commissioner of Traffic Police, B. Dayananda, inaugurated the event, and he too admitted that there must be more awareness among the youths. Stand by.